Hello students, today we will discuss some important MCQs of sequence series. So let's get started. First question, what comes next in the sequence 1, 2, 6, 22? In this sequence 1 multiplied by 4 minus 2, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Again 2 multiplied by 4 minus 2, which is equal to 6. Next 6 multiplied by 4 minus 2 is equal to 22. Now for next term 22 multiplied by 4 minus 2, that is 88 minus 2, that is 86. So 86 is correct option. Now next question, if an is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n divided by 2n minus 1, then a4 is equal to question mark, that is we have to find out the value of a4. For a4 put n is equal to 4. So a4 is equal to minus 1 raised to the power 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 minus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 4 means 1. 8 minus 1, that is 7. C is correct option. Next question. The difference of two consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence is called its common difference. Question number 4. What is the 31st term of the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10 up to so on? So for 31st term, T 31st is equal to A plus 30D. Now A is equal to 1 because first term is equal to 1 and D common difference is equal to 3. Now T 31 is equal to 1 plus 30 multiplied by D means 3, which is equal to 91. So 91 is right option. Question number 5. What is the 11th term of the sequence m minus 2n, m minus n, m up to so on? Again for 11th term, T11 is equal to A plus 10D. In this sequence, A is equal to m minus 2n and D is equal to n. Now put value of A and D in this equation. A means m minus 2n plus 10, D means n, m plus 8n, that is m plus 8n is correct option. Now question number 6. What is the sum of the sequence 10, 20, 30 up to so on 1000? For sum of sequence Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L. Now to find out the value of n, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. An means nth term, which is equal to 1000 and A is equal to 10, n minus 1 and D is equal to common difference, which is equal to 10. Solve this equation, we get n is equal to 100. Now n is equal to 100, first term is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 10 plus last term is equal to 1000. Now 100 divided by 2. Solve this, we get, that is third option is right answer. Now question number 7. If the sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to 3n plus 2n square, then the common difference of the AP is 2, 3, 4 or 6. Now first of all find S1, that is sum of one term. Put n is equal to 1 in this equation. 3 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1 square, which is equal to 5. Now find out S2, that is sum of first two terms, T1 plus T2. Put n is equal to 2 in this equation. We get T1 plus T2 is equal to 14. Now T1 is equal to 5 and T1 plus T2 is equal to 14. From this we get T2 is equal to 9. That is, sequence is first term is 5, second term is 9. So common difference is equal to 4. Next question. What is the 11th term of the sequence 1, 3, 9, 27 up to so on? This question is of GP series, that is geometric progression. For geometric progression, nth term is equal to a r raised to the power n minus 1, where a is first term and r is common ratio. Now for T11, a means 1, common ratio is 3. We have to find the 11th term, so value of n is 11. 11 minus 1, so 11th term is equal to 3 raised to the power 10. Next question. What is the sum of the first 100 natural numbers? Because summation of n, that is sum of first n natural number, is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Put value of n in this equation. N means 100. 100 plus 1 divided by 2, we get 5050. That is, C is right option. Last question. What is the sum of first 100 odd numbers? 100 odd numbers means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to so on, up to 100 terms. Now sum of terms is equal to n by 2. N by 2 means 100 by 2. 2 multiplied by a, 1 plus 2a plus n minus 1d. N minus 1d, n means 100. Minus 1 and d is common difference, which is equal to 2. 50. 2 plus 198. Solve this, we get 10,000. That is, second option is right option. Okay students, now you will try similar questions by yourself. Thank you.